Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a review on the menstrual period cup. I wanted to do this video because I think this is an important topic for us women. So I'm gonna get right into it. But before we begin, if this is your first time watching, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. It is free. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And just so you know, I do post 3 to 5 days a week. So I would love to have you. Why not join me? And without further ado, let's get right into it. So I wanted to talk to you guys about this thing right here. Now I got this on Amazon for $9.99. And it comes with 2 cups. There's a large and a small one. It comes with the sterilization cup, and it also comes with the carrying case. So when I open it up, it has this where you can put your period cups. It pops open like this. And obviously after you clean the period cups, you put them in here. You put it in the microwave for I think about a minute and it sterilizes them. And it says that you can use it for 15 years. And then it also comes with this carrying case right here. And inside it has the 2 period cups. Now there's 2 sizes. This is the smaller one and this is the larger one. This is more wider and then this one is more narrow. They do recommend using this if you don't have any kids, and if you already had kids and you've given birth, they recommend using this. And it also comes with the instructions. So it does show you how to fold it. There's different methods to fold it, but it shows you how to fold it and how to insert it. So this might seem like intimidating to some of you guys, but honestly guys, I really do recommend this than buying tampons. First of all, it's eco-friendly. And second of all, you do save a lot of money. I mean, this you can use up to 15 years. So imagine how many tampons you can save or how many pads you can save by using these instead of pads and tampons around that time of the month. And for spending one time $10, it's amazing. So I'm gonna read to you guys what it claims. It says that you can sleep easy, you can go swimming with it, you can stay active, it's easy to clean, bathroom friendly, you can use it overnight for peace of mind, and it is 100% waterproof. I do agree with that 100%. I have used these in the past and then I stopped for a while and I decided to purchase them again. I do highly recommend them, guys. Not only will you save money, but they are eco-friendly. Honestly, they might look intimidating, but they really are not. I'm gonna show you in a bit how to fold. So here are the benefits of using a menstrual cup, and I'm actually reading it off the box. It says that it's up to 12 hours of leak-free protection day or night, won't cause dryness or irritation, and no odor, which I do agree. Whenever I use tampons, I do sometimes get that shock. I'm sure you guys have experienced that and I hate that. And it says that it's super soft and comfortable. Yes, the only thing I will say, it does take a few tries before you get it right. Be patient, you will get there. It says it's easy to use, healthier alternative to disposable pads and tampons, 100% high quality medical grade silicone, eco-friendly, reusable for up to 15 years, and it's FDA approved manufacturer. Yes, 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 and yes. I do agree with that. Now, like I said, guys, if you want to start off with these menstrual cups, I do recommend that you are patient with it, because the first time I used these, they were intimidating to me. And when I tried it, I honestly thought I was going to give up on it because I felt like it's not going in right. It hurts. So I just wanted to quit. Like, I did not want to use these anymore. But once you get the hang of it, it's really hard to mess it up. So how I do it whenever I fold these and how I use it is basically you want to pinch it right here. And it creates kind of like a C, and then you fold it like this and you insert it. I know that kind of sounds like intimidating, and I don't know, for some of you it might sound like this is crazy, like there's no way I could put this in me. Trust me, it's really easy. It's easier than it sounds. So basically you put it in, you push it up where you feel comfortable, and you kind of will know when it's like that comfortable spot. And when you're done, you let it go, and what you do is you just pull this just a little bit and you'll feel where it's tight and it won't move. That's how you know that it's gonna stay put. And what this also does is that it opens this up. So it will open it up, and trust me, you will not have any leaks with this. This is amazing, guys. It has saved me so much money going back to this. Like I said, it's eco-friendly, and I never get that shock feeling that I do with tampons, because I do prefer using tampons over pads. But like I said, it does give me that shock syndrome. With this, you save a lot of money. It's up to 15 years. One time you pay $9.99, and it's amazing. And just so you guys know, I'm not being paid to say this. This is not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to make this video because for those of you out there that maybe were thinking of buying this and trying this out, I do recommend it. But like I said, the only thing I do recommend is make sure you get the hang of it, play around with it a little bit, and eventually you will get it. Now, in this little user's manual, it does give you two ways to insert this. So there's the U-fold method, which is also called the C method, like the one I showed you, like this. Or it's the downfold method, which you do this. Hopefully I can do it like this, and you hold it like this, like that. And you can also insert it like this. I personally prefer to insert it like this, but honestly, it's just preference. Play around with it and see what works for you. Guys, it is just a game changer. Honestly, I do recommend it. You will save a lot of money. And so if you guys are thinking of getting this, I'm telling you, get it. I got this from Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was useful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. It really does help my algorithm. And if you guys are still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.